Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be unboxing and review the Johnson & Johnson All-Purpose Portable Compact First Aid Kit. In the box, you'll get 140-piece Johnson & Johnson All-Purpose Portable and Compact Emergency First Aid Kit for use at home, in cars, outdoors, dorm rooms, camping, offices, and on the go. Helps care for minor wounds, cuts, scrapes, burns, itches, pain, skin rashes, and insect bites. All-Purpose Compact First Aid Kit includes essential first aid and wound care supplies like cleansing wipes, gauze pads, assorted bandages, rolled gauze, antibiotic cream, itch-stopping cream, acetaminophen caplets, an instant cold pack, and much more. Emergency kit includes a variety of Band-Aid brand adhesive bandages in assorted sizes for minor wounds, as well as Band-Aid brand first aid products, gauze pads, non-stick pads, and rolled gauze for larger minor wounds. Includes full-size 0.5-ounce Neosporin Plus pain relief topical cream to help prevent infection while relieving pain, and full-size 1.0-ounce extra-strength Benadryl itch-stopping topical cream to help soothe itching. Travel First Aid Set also contains Tylenol Extra Strength acetaminophen caplets and a Bengay non-medicated instant cold pack to help ease minor aches and pains, as well as 2 pairs of gloves and a helpful first aid guide.